the plan is we're gonna go to the Moxi warehouse. Moxi is having a pop-up sale and they're having skaters skate on their ramp, and I'm really excited to go. They've been having it once a month. It's on Saturdays. Today's the day. So let's go. I'm gonna grab my skates and let's see if we can skate or if we can see some fun skaters. Queer girl straight skates! How I already got lost and I go here all the time, so it's not like I don't know where I'm going. Just very on brand, that's all. We've made it. We're gonna go in. It's right through those doors over there, so let's go. We are on our way in. I'm pretty sure it's around that corner. I'm excited because I love pop-ups and I love Moxi, and I think this is gonna be really fun. You're wondering where it is? Well, the good news is there's this sign. Nice.
Why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, 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 want you all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you.
We had a great time, and now we're going home. Thanks so much for watching.